First, I apologize for the video quality. The horses always come by me, and one of the big ones, Captain, he always comes when I take my phone out to do videos and photobombs, so you're going to have to deal with him. It was very hard to shoot around him. But anyway, this video was taken on Saturday, January 30th, 2021, at the Donata Equestrian Center, where we have the large herd that lives outside 24/7, 365. This was the evening when the snowstorm that we got just started. I came to check on them, and I was horrified when I saw that their feed bags had nothing left in them at all at 4:56 p.m. So I was really upset because I know the snowstorm is coming. I expected them to have some food. And when I looked at the bags, and you could see in the video, there's nothing in those bags. That's not going to last even another hour. It was pretty much gone in one of the bags there. So this is just wrong, to say the least. I expected better from Donata, especially knowing that these horses were going to be outside all night. And, 4:56, that's it. When it's gone until the next morning. And they do not come back till the next morning, and they get down there at maybe 8:30, 8:45, maybe even later because of the snowstorm. This is just not acceptable, and I hope someone does something about it.